Hello, and this is Steve Milton, and this is my presentation for my final project. I decided to do a project on getting some resources for church organization callings. This is my main page. This is my logo here, along with some pictures and the different callings and things like that that people might be interested in. I tried to use some muted colors just because church and callings and things like that, so I didn't want anything really bright. The only thing I have really bright is the nav bar so that the people can find their information quickly and easily. And I tried to use a nice, serif font for all the headings, and then I used the sans serif font for each of the different, just the nav bar things, and also on the text, just because it's easier to read and just gives some variety and some contrast to it. So my main pages are my adults, Sunday school, primary, and site info has my about us, has the contact us, style guide, and the practice sites. So all these things function, they all work, they go to where they need to go. So this takes me to my regular page, my about us, which has my picture and my description of the mission of this page and all that information. My style guide, so it pops over there to go back to the style guide and all that. As far as my individual pages I did it for Elders Quorum, and then just some text on the Elders Quorum and the duties of the elders, and then also I did the Relief Society. So we have that along with an explanation of Relief Society, what they're supposed to be doing. Sunday school and the primary, all those are still under construction, but maybe one day when I have time I'll get to those as well. But that is my project. The most difficult things I had with this was really just optimizing the images and getting those to a size and where it wasn't dominating the page so much, because that was my original problem. That's what people were commenting on. But everything else, I learned a lot this semester just in design and working with the pages and things like that. So it's been an interesting project, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.